So here's a handle I made for the other side. This one works really well. I'm gonna make the next one better though, I think. I think it needs to be made better. I'll show you what I'm looking at. I got this, which I'm gonna cut into 2 different pieces, like maybe there and there. Just cut it. And then here's the handle bit. And it's gonna be welded between those 2 like this, with just enough space underneath to put a screw. Or on top. Probably underneath. It'll be like that with a screw. And then on the other side the same. Got these 2 ends welded on and cut down to shape. It's looking pretty good. I'm going to drill 2 holes, one there, in the edge of this to make it be able to mount. Alright, the holes are drilled and it's ready to be painted. I'm just going to quickly test fit it and see if it goes on good. Because if it doesn't go on good, I gotta change something. Good. So I got this all wrapped up. I'm just gonna add some blue paint to the edges here and there, paint it all and let it dry and then bolt it up tonight. So I got it painted completely. It's looking quite good. So now I'm just going to throw it on there like this. There we go, it's on. I'll bolt it up. It's a nice grab handle. It's a little bit thin on the back side. Like I can't quite fit my finger. But otherwise, you go and get in the car and it's up out of the way. When you're sitting here, you're not gonna hit this. You can drive and you won't knock into the handle. I can't even hit it with my leg unless I really try hard, but like, it's doing pretty good.